Makiria ya AMEMBA 15,000 KIAMA kia Mawakiri guku BURURI-INI LSK umuthi ni marokire irebe-ini gucagura president wa KIAMA giki guothe BURURI-INI undu umwe na murugamiriri wakio kamiti-ini ya KURAMATA MAGOTI niyo Judicial Service Commission JSC. GITURWA kia president kiguciriria AHURANIRI atano aria ni hamwe na Faith Odhiambo, Caroline Kamende na Harriet Boshe aria maratanya gutuika mutumia wa keri gutongoria LSK kuma riria yambiriirio thutha wa uria wari minister wa ugitiri wa mbiraru Rachel Omamo, agene Kipkoech Bernard Ngetich na Peter Wanyama.
So today we can't campaign. We're just here to say that to encourage colleagues to continue voting. The election is free and fair. That I can assure you.
The next 2 years will determine the way the Law Society is going to move. And so this is quite an important day for all advocates of the High Court of Kenya.
Guku Nairobi mihango eno etafanire igoti-ini ritugiru kuria mawakiri meranire mari na mwihoko na uria mihango eno ya ithurano irathie na mbere.
It's been very efficient and smooth. It is quite quick because I think with the assistance of IBC they were able to circulate among all advocates who are eligible the full list indicating where you are to vote, the stream number and all.
In a professional society such as this, I think it's a high time we adopt technology and move towards an online or a virtual voting system that will enable everyone to vote.
Hadini yake wakiri Dansan Omari augite LSK ni rafatara mogaruruku ma mwathanire.
We need a new group. We need a responsive Law Society of Kenya leadership. We need new blood. We can respect us.
Mwena wa Thika kuria mihango eno etafanirio hatari mihinga o yothe mawakiri aria mekwiyumiritie guikia kura ni meranire guthie na mbere kuregana na itua ria ruhonge rwa magoti kuheana motungata ceceni-ini cia Huduma Center itemine ria gukuhiriria motungata kuri muingi. Mawakiri makiuga ruhonge rwa magoti ruroneka ta ruikitio muhuko ni thirikari nene.
If you are intending to actually increase access to justice, why don't you use the existing systems? Huduma Center has been sold to the country and to the members of the public is a program to access executive government services. Ukitaka NTSA, nenda Huduma Center. But ukitaka kwenda kotini, enda kotini.
Giturwa kia president kiranyitirirwo ni THEURI ari president wa 50 kuma riria LSK yambiriirie na ni atirihite ikereka riake ria wathani wa miaka 2. Maumirira ma ithurano ici matanyitwo kwanirirwo mahinda mothe kwambiriria riu na ithurano ici gutafanagio ni kamiti ya ithurano na miaka IEBC.